In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and explore stock charts in the Robinhood app or website. Whether you're a beginner investor or someone just getting more familiar with Robinhood's platform, understanding how to access and interpret stock charts is an essential part of making informed investment decisions. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, so you can start analyzing stocks like a pro. First, go ahead and open the Robinhood app on your mobile device, or navigate to the Robinhood website on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so that you can access all features available to you. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see a search bar or a search icon, usually located at the top of the page. Use this to type in the name or ticker symbol of the stock or ETF you're interested in. As you type, Robinhood will display a list of matching securities, so just tap or click on the one you want to view. After selecting your preferred stock or ETF, you'll land on its detailed information page. Here, scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Chart. This is where you can visually track how the stock's price has changed over time. If you'd like a more immersive or detailed look, just tap on the chart itself. This action will expand the chart into full screen mode, giving you a clearer view of all the available information and making it easier to interact with. At the top of the full screen chart, you'll notice several buttons labeled with timeframes, such as 1 day, 5 days, 1 month, 3 months, and 1 year. You can adjust the chart's timeframe by tapping on these options. This lets you quickly switch between short-term and long-term price trends, which can be really helpful to get a better understanding of a stock's overall movement. If you want even more chart analysis tools, look for the Legend button, typically found at the top right corner of the chart. Tap on it and you'll see key information displayed, such as the current price, trading volume, and sometimes other helpful indicators, depending on what data Robinhood provides for that specific stock or ETF. This feature is great for getting more context as you study the chart. Don't forget, you can zoom in and out of different parts of the chart and scroll to move along the timeline. Take advantage of these interactive features to really explore detailed movements or trends that interest you. Zooming and scrolling can help you spot important highs, lows, or price patterns that might inform your next investing move. And that's it. Now you know how to access, customize, and explore stock charts within Robinhood. With these tools, you can confidently analyze stocks and make more informed decisions. Thanks for watching and happy investing.